Welcome students. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, value based questions, which has been introduced from March 2013 exams. This will be carrying 4 to 5 marks. So let's start. First of all, we must know what do we mean by values. Values are those important fundamental dimensions of human life where we see how a person will react in a particular real life situation, that is, what will be his behavior for a particular situation. In simple words, to take an example, if you find a purse loaded with money, then you have two options. First, keep that purse with you, or try to find out its real owner, or deposit it with a government authority, that is police. Now, whatever you decide will depend upon the values inside you. We can say something related to moral values. In business also, we do start with some values which are expressed as a numerical value in accountancy. So, we can say we just do not deal with figures, but these figures also carry some moral values attached to it. Some important values which are to be followed in business and accountancy are as follows. Let us understand them one by one. First, teamwork. Teamwork means working with togetherness rather than an individualistic approach. Next, second point is integrity, something related to honesty part. Third, product quality, quality to be maintained so that health and safety standards of the consumers are not compromised. Next, service to the nation, national interest to be kept in mind so that we can do something for our nation. Next, it can be environment friendly. We must think about safety of environment, conservation of natural resources, control over pollution, etc., so that we can give a good future to our coming generations. Next, women empowerment, giving position of power to women, making them partners in growth, and also making them self dependent and more confident so that they can also help the nation in progress. Next, empowerment for specially abled people, to help them grow and become self dependent and confident so that nobody should feel let down and instead feel like that I am also doing something or my bit for the nation and myself. Next point is best utilization of natural resources so that optimum results can be achieved and there is no wastage also. Next point is passion for work. There should be a passion in what you do so that you can achieve your best. Next, respect for others, treating everybody as a human being and respecting his or her work, and please understand, no work is small. Next, sharing. When we work together, we must share the profits also and losses also. Next point, new creative ideas. We must think for new products and services, like you see nowadays improvement in educational sector. Just like this, you are sitting at home and studying in your own comfort zone. Similarly, purchase by net shopping, etc. Now, all these ideas are creating new job opportunities for people. Next, fun and celebrating small success of employees, encouraging them, throwing small picnic parties, get together. So, celebrating festivals, let us enjoy life while working. Next point is social justice, that is justice for all, no casteism and equal treatment for everybody. Next, motivation for education, motivation and encouragement for study by weaker section people, that is economically weaker, telling them about government schemes like Ladli scheme is going on, and also helping them wherever possible in any way they like. Next, promoting brotherhood among different communities. First of all, try to remove this community stigma. Tell everybody we are all one community, that is Indians, and promote brotherhood. Celebrate the festival of other community and also invite them to yours festivals. Let us proceed our discussion with some practical questions on value based and try to identify the values involved in these questions. Let us start with question number 1. There are 4 persons A, B, C, D. They are distributing 15% of their business profits to a NGO for the welfare of educationally backward section of the society. Now, find out the values involved in this question. So, the values involved are social responsibility and the next is helping backward section of the society. Similarly, let us see another question. Now, if we allow discount on our products to a particular section of the society, let us say economically weaker section of the society or maybe for all, then what we have to look is the nature of the product and what are those goods which will do some good to the society. Now, let us suppose the product is either school uniform or school shoes. Now, in this case we are trying to promote first motivation for school going for that particular section or for all and improvement in national literacy rate, because when everybody will go to the school, the literacy rate will go up. Let us start with another question. Ram and Shyam are partners in a business. They admit 2 other partners, Shabana and Zeenat, into partnership, giving them equal share like them, that is 1/4 for all. Zeenat is also a physically challenged girl, so they also give her a guarantee that her share of profits will never be less than 1,50,000 per annum. We have to identify the values involved. The first very important value is promoting harmony among different religions and thereby national integration. Next, empowerment of women. Next, welfare of differently abled person. And the next, by giving them guarantee about a minimum amount, we are protecting their interest also. Next question is, Rajkumar and Muhammad Aslam are doing tannery business, that is leather goods, which involve air pollution and water pollution. Now, they have 2 options. One is to open the factory in a rural area where there are less restrictions and cheap labor is available, as those people are illiterate, so they do not know much about the rules and regulations. And second is to install an advanced air pollution control equipment at an additional cost of 5 lakh and a water pollution control equipment at an additional cost of 3 lakh. Now, which option they should take? I think they should take the second option, because it will help awareness about pollution control. Second, it will help the country use the new and advanced technology for improvement of environment. Next, it is promoting national integration and harmony among different religions. And next, it can be national and society interest also. Let us think about few questions where we are violating some values, that is the cases where we are not following the values. To start with the question, X and Y are 2 partners in a firm. Purchasing is done by X from a company in which his wife is holding major part of shares, and purchasing is done at a very high rate. Now, this point is not discussed with the other partner Y. Now, identify the value which is violated by X. The answer will be, the values violated are mutual trust and confidence, and second, absence of honesty and integrity, because he is not telling that my wife is holding the major part and this value is double or triple the actual rate. Next question. ABC are three partners in a firm. Mr. B uses some of the assets of the firm for his private purpose and also earns some profit out of this. Now, identify the values violated and what will be the position of that profit earned by Mr. B. First, Mr. B has violated the following values: first, honesty; second, integrity; third, full disclosure; and next, breach of mutual trust and confidence. And also, B must return that profit earned to the firm along with that asset. Next question. Ram and Shyam are partners in a firm and there is a workman accident fund rupees 4 lakh. If one worker dies and 2 lakh rupees is paid to his family and a job is guaranteed in the firm to one of his dependent, identify what values we are promoting and what will we do with that remaining accident fund. If Ram and Shyam now change their profit sharing ratio to 3:1. Now, what values are being followed is sympathy towards the workers, fulfillment of social responsibility, and that remaining money in accident fund will be distributed among old partners in old ratio, that is equal ratio, because that was a part of those profits which were earned in the previous year when the ratio was equal, as nothing is mentioned. So, it has to be taken as equal. So, we will not take into consideration the new ratio, right. Next question. If one of the partner dies in a road accident and the other partners admit his minor son in the partnership and also give a minimum guaranteed amount also, then what values are being promoted? First, they are helping the family of a deceased partner in need. Next, protection of minor right by giving him a guarantee that this much minimum amount will be paid to him. And the third most important is sympathetic attitude. So, students, today we have learnt about value based questions on partnership. In our next class, we will be doing these value based questions for company accounts, issue of share, issue of debenture and other topics like analysis part and cash flow also. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.